Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a walkthrough on this 2025 Mercedes G550, otherwise known as the G-Wagon. We put a LeTech 2.5-inch leveling kit on this G-Wagon. It's a leveling strut, essentially. A set of 20x10 Vossen HFX wheels with a positive 20mm offset and some 285, 55, R20 Toyo open country AT3 tires. I know what you're thinking, Michael, y'all lift Fords, Chevys, Toyotas, Jeeps all the time. What is this Mercedes doing? Anything you want to lift, we'll lift it. We're happy to. We're excited to see this customer pick up their G-Wagon today. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us, 833-268-2577. You can leave us a comment, shoot us a text, send us an email, whatever it may be. We're here to help you. Thanks for watching. And if you want to know what trimming we needed to do in order to fit this tire and wheel setup, go watch our Will It Fit video and I'll show you what we need to do in order to make this tire and wheel setup fit with this level on this G-Wagon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.